all the time I keep sitting on the bed. That's it.
Okay.
Yes. But I
So what
don't. But I don't like
and all?
touching people.
See,
Touch.
what about the
Yeah.
food and all? Who cooks the food then? If you are sitting on the couch every time, then who cooks the
No.
food?
I make food by my own. By myself. No one cooks food for me.
Okay. Because you told me, no, that every time you just sit on the couch, you are a couch
No,
potato.
it means. Hello. How are you, sir? And
Yeah,
good
I'm just
evening.
and as we're meeting for the first time, okay, I would like to know about you. And would you like to just give me your introduction, ma'am?
Yes, of course. First of all, I would love to say Happy New Year.
Yeah, thank
And
you.
because the
Okay, and
today is Happy New Year. Yes, yes.
yeah, yeah, happy New Year to you as well.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. And okay, let me introduce myself first. Then we can talk further. Right. Okay, so my name is Pooja Sahu. I hail from Delhi. If talk about my qualifications, I completed and passed CBSE board from Delhi 2013. As well as I have done basic computer courses and I am learning this language. And simultaneously, I run my YouTube channel named Pooja Sahu English Learn with Passion, and therein interact with co-learners. I am married. I am homemaker. So yeah, that's more or less about me.
Yeah, I would like to know about your channel. What's your channel name?
Pooja Sahu English Learn with Passion.
Okay, and when have you started your channel? Since how
Yeah,
long?
I have started. I think sixth or seventh month is going on.
Seventh month is
It's
going on.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's a
been
good.
seventh. Yeah, it's been sixth
Yeah.
and seventh month is going on.
Okay, and how many videos have you uploaded till now?
I think I don't remember, but I think 34 videos. Yeah, 34 videos I had uploaded.
Okay, great, great. So I would like to know that, okay, the last year you have just started your channel. So how was your experience till now? Means you might have faced some good experiences, or you might have had some bad experiences. Okay, you might have learned something new, okay, yeah, in the last year. So I would like to know about that.
Okay, so yes, okay, so yes, this is a good question you asked me. When I have started my YouTube journey, initially days, so that time it was my beginner time. So I was talking and speaking broken language, but I have been learning. Uh, I have been learning something new from the different people I am talking. I have started talking with different people, and now still I am learning something and I'm able to speak little bit. I can't say I have become fluent speaker, but learning process it is a long lasting process. You are having conversation every day to different people, so we are learning something from both sides, right?
Yeah.
So yes, still I am having this type of conversation, but yeah, sometimes I face this type of problem because I made just a second. Because I meet, sometimes beginner, intermediate, and fluent speaker. So yeah, I consider myself still I am beginner, right?
Okay.
So when I meet, fluent speaker, yeah, intermediate, they speak English language better than me. So I feel very hesitate. Oh my God, and which type
Uh,
of person? Yes,
yeah, it
which
happens. It
type of
happens.
person
It
will
happens with
they ask
everyone.
me? Yeah, ask me.
Yeah.
Hmm?
It happens with everyone. Okay, it's a normal feeling. Okay, as human being, we're having that kind of fear and hesitation, right? We
Yes.
sometimes we just feel that what kind of questions he will ask. Will he overpower me, right? And will I be able to answer him properly or not? Will I make some mistakes? Okay, that happens. Okay, even I'm also still learning. I'm also beginner level at I think. Okay, I'm not an intermediate speaker.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so I'm
But
also still learning.
I also want to know about you something. I also want to know about you something little bit. If you want to, give introduction
Yeah,
because you
definitely.
didn't give introduction. Yes, yes, yes. I think
Yeah.
you belong to Tamil Nadu,
No, no, no.
South
How
Indian,
do you, yeah, how do you come to know that I belong to Tamil Nadu?
South Indian.
Yeah, I'm a South Indian, but I am not means I don't belong to Tamil Nadu.
Okay, so South Indian,
Yeah, I'm a South Indian. I belong to Karnataka. Okay, but right now I'm
Karnataka.
staying in Maharashtra.
Okay, right now you're speaking from Maharashtra,
Yeah, yeah.
Mumbai,
And I
Mumbai.
have studied Marathi medium, not Kannada medium. My mother tongue is Kannada. Okay, but I have studied in Marathi medium.
Because your accent is coming from your mouth. Your accent, yeah, out from your
No,
mouth. So
but
that's the reason,
so,
yes, I'm
uh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
being
You
able
carry.
to understand.
Yeah, actually, South Indian people, okay, don't talk like that. Okay, I know that because, yeah, they speak
Okay, okay.
some, yeah, they are having some different accent, like, yeah, what do you do and how
Mhm.
do you do and what's your name, like that. Okay, just speak, right? Actually, I've studied in Marathi medium, so I'm Maharashtrian as well as I belong to Karnataka. Okay, so right now I'm working as a security guard. Okay, I'm nearby, staying nearby Mumbai. Okay, I am just working in Kalyan city. You know, I think that you might be knowing Kalyan or not, I don't know. But Mumbai is just quite
No, no,
famous.
no.
Yeah, it's a
Okay.
financial hub. So I just stay nearby Mumbai. Okay, and I'm working as a security guard. And I'm also having a channel. Okay, it's called Always Positive Ram, where I keep on posting all the English conversation videos. Okay, and last I think 2 3 months back only I've just started my own channel. Okay, I'm new to the YouTube. I'm still learning. Okay, so whenever I get time, because of my hectic schedule, I don't get enough time to make videos. So whenever I get time, I just make videos and I try to upload them. That is my short introduction, ma'am.
Okay, good to hear that. Yes, I also do same thing. I don't upload every day. Whenever I get time to upload on my YouTube channels, I upload. Otherwise, no. I'm not that type of person every day, uploading that video. No, because it takes
No,
so
no,
much
but
time to editing and
to
like.
get more views and to get more subscribers, so you have to upload every day. That is what other YouTubers have told me. But because I'm as a working professional, okay, it's not possible for everyone. Okay, because I'm working for 12 hours. It's a 12-hour shift, and it becomes very difficult for me. Okay, to have a conversation, then editing the thumbnail and
Editing.
editing the video and then uploading and all, right? It becomes really hectic for me.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I can understand because I feel the same way, and I also do same thing. You know, editing parts, and you are doing editing and thumbnail and apply. So this type of thing, it takes too much time to
Yeah.
editing and thumbnail. So that's the reason. That is why I'm unable to do like this.
Yeah. So I would like to know that do you have any New Year resolutions? Because this is the first Jan. Okay. This is the first day of the new year. You might be having some resolutions, right?
Okay, but I have not decided which type of reservation I have to change in my life in first January. Uh, but yeah, and I also but if you are asking to me, if you ask to me, so yes, I want to change something related to English. I want to more practice English language, and these
Hmm.
days, I'm unable to practice every day because
Hmm.
winter season starting. Winter season is starting. So it's very cold over here. We talk about Delhi. So Delhi it's very freezing,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
I don't feel like doing. Yes, yes, it's very freezing over here. So these days I feel very lazy, and I feel like a very cost potato. So I don't do anything right now. So that's the reason. So I want to change this thing. Lazy. I want to change.
No, but I
And
suppose because of
mhm.
during winter season, no, everyone becomes lazy because of that kind of cold climate. Okay, no one wants to just
Yeah.
work under such kind of circumstances. No one wants to put their hands in the water, right? Because it's really cold.
Mhm.
Do you have any heater or something inside your home?
No, I don't have any heater. Yes, I have, but my father-in-law he uses
Okay.
this thing, but I don't use it so much. Okay, I
Mm.
only all the time I keep sitting on the bed. That's it.
Okay.
Yes, but I
So what about
don't. But I don't like
and all?
touching.
See,
Touch.
what about the
Yeah.
food and all? Who cooks the food then? If you are sitting on the couch every time, then who cooks the
No.
food?
I made food by my own, by myself. No one cooks food for me.
Okay. Because you told me, no, that every time you just sits on the couch, you are a
Yeah,
couch potato.
no, it means, I mean to say that, yes, whenever I get like a cook after cooking food, again, I sit on the bed and I start my work, household chores work. I start around, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Then I feel, little bit hot types of, okay. Then I start my work and
Okay. I
and
thought
yeah,
that
and it takes time to 2-3 hours to finishing my work.
no, I thought that okay, you might be
No,
having some maid at home. That's why I just asked the question.
no. Everything, every work, everything and every work I do by myself. No one does.
And so, what about your children? Okay, do they go to school?
Uh, unfortunately, I don't have children yet.
Okay, okay, fine. Okay, I think it looks like you are newly married. Okay, so not an issue.
Mhm.
Take your time. And yeah,
No,
so
it's
what?
been a long time. I got married.
Okay, yeah. And what about the Delhi pollution and all?
Delhi pollution. How can say is that because I don't go outside. Yeah, I have heard about pollution. It's a very, getting up pollution and
Mhm.
traffic. It is also including. So yeah, and it's a happen. It's a natural. I can say there is not going to reduce. Cut
Okay.
down pollution. Yes, day by day increasing pollution.
Yeah, it's
So
because of Delhi.
we so we
Yeah, Delhi is just covered by means other states as well, right? And they're burning paralis and all, and because of that,
yes
lots of smog get created, and because of that, Delhi gets polluted. Okay, there are several reasons, but people are not finding solution for that, right? Like in Beijing, China.
yes
Okay, it was also polluted. Okay, a few years back, it was also having lots of smog and all. But if you just see the current situation over there, it's the air quality has really improved over there. Okay, but in Delhi, okay, it's the same. Okay, as a few years back. Okay, and day by day, it's becoming more.
increasing hot.
The pollution is increasing more
Yes,
and more.
increasing. Yes.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I
So
don't
that's
know. Mhm.
yeah, yeah. Carry on, carry on.
Yes, and leaders also they don't think about pollution, how to reduce. So who will think about reduce pollution? We can't do anything. Yeah, and
Yeah,
leaders should be think about this. So who
yeah.
don't think? So what should we say?
Yeah, but those who are having lots of money, those who are rich, right? Okay, they are just
Yes.
using air purifiers at their home, right? Nowadays, okay,
Mhm.
people are just started using air purifiers at their home. Then the why politicians will just think about just purifying the air outside because now people are buying okay air purifiers and the companies are making money out of that. Then they won't just think of just improving the air quality outside. That's what
Yes.
I just think.
No one talks as well. No one talks about how can reduce pollution, cut down pollution, and traffic. Traffic also it's so much.
Mm, I think